Welcome to BoostMind AI. If you're new to artificial intelligence and wondering how it can actually help in your daily life, this video is your step-by-step beginner's guide. Let's dive into how everyday people are using AI to be more productive, efficient, and creative, and how you can start doing the same today. Let's start with what is AI, really. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's the simulation of human thinking by machines, and it's not science fiction anymore. It's in your phone, your browser, and your smart devices. So how can you use it? Number 1. AI for writing and communication. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write emails, blog posts, or even cover letters. Simply give it a prompt like write a polite email to request a meeting, and in seconds, you have a professionally written message. Number 2. AI for learning and research. Struggling to understand a topic? Ask AI to explain it simply. For example, explain quantum computing like I'm 12, or summarize this article in 5 bullet points. AI makes learning faster and easier. Number 3. AI for time management. AI-powered apps like Motion or Reclaim can plan your calendar, set reminders, and even reschedule tasks based on your behavior. They help you manage time without feeling overwhelmed. Number 4. AI for creativity. Use tools like DALL, Middle.e, or Midjourney to generate images from text, or use music AI tools to create soundtracks for your content. AI helps unlock creativity. No artistic skills needed. Number 5. AI for shopping and budgeting. AI tools can help track your expenses, suggest smarter purchases, and even alert you when you're overspending. Apps like Cleo or in-app use AI to give financial advice in real time. Number 6. AI for health and wellness. AI fitness apps can generate personalized workout routines. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Fitbit use AI to help you track nutrition and exercise. Even mental health apps like Whisper or Youper use AI for guided conversations and mood tracking. Number 7. AI for content creation. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or YouTuber, AI video editors, writing tools, and voice generators can help you create content faster. You can even use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or script your next video. Number 8. AI for travel planning. AI chatbots like Google Bard or ChatGPT can help you plan trips. You can plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo on a budget, and it'll generate a full itinerary with suggestions. Number 9. AI for smart home automation. Devices like Alexa, Google Home, and smart thermostats use AI to learn your preferences and adjust automatically. You can control lights, temperature, and even appliances with your voice. Number 10. AI for problem solving. Have a question or a challenge? Ask ChatGPT for advice, whether it's relationship tips, how to fix a slow laptop, or meal prep ideas. You'll often get useful, well-structured responses instantly. So how do you get started? Step 1. Start small. Pick one area, like writing, studying, or budgeting, and try using an AI tool for a week. Step 2. Use simple prompts. Talk to AI tools like you're talking to a person. Be specific and clear. For example, help me schedule my study time with 2 hours each evening. Step 3. Experiment and explore. AI is evolving quickly. New tools are launching every week. Stay curious, and don't be afraid to test them out. And remember, you don't need to be a tech expert to benefit from AI. It's already here to make your life easier. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to BoostMind AI for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials. This is your journey into a smarter, more efficient daily life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.